this isn't just a regular chair.
Unlike some of the other traditional chairs that you're gonna get, this one has lounge support. So this is essentially like a portable hammock. You got a nice little cushion right here for your neck. This is a cooler that not only keeps the cool, but it also keeps the hot from escaping. You put this in so this doesn't fall. Holds 300 pounds. Tons of padding, not like the cheaper ones. And you can see that there's additional support here and here. The feet are aluminum, so it can definitely withstand water. It's not going to rust. Now that's a chair, but if I wanted to make it into a lounger, I just have to release some of the sides. Now, if I want to get support, I can take this cooler. Now, unlike some of the other traditional chairs that you're going to get, this one has lounge support. So this is essentially like a portable hammock. You got a nice little cushion right here for your neck. Of course, you don't need it, but you can. It also has a beverage holder right here. So this is a pretty nice lounger for the beach. Very easy to fold up. You just take this, you fold this in, put this in so this doesn't fall. And then you basically just put this inside the bag. And of course, it has a handle just like all the other camping products. It comes in different colors, blue, green, black, khaki. If you haven't seen it already, make sure you check out my Kingcamp thermal cooler review. This is a massive cooler that not only keeps the cool, but it also keeps the hot from escaping. 58.9 degrees. So that's how hot the sun is shining. Look at this, in 3 hours in the hot sun, and it's still here. If you take a look at, even the zipper has a nice lining. Up to 48 hours of keeping your beverage cool. But for the day on the boat or the beach, or even if you have baby formula, this is perfect. So that's the chair, that's the bag. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.